Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by claiming the free tier and skipping upsell screens, sign up with an email, or use guest mode. Once done, verify your browser and connection because performance matters. Make sure you've collected images, fonts, and a one-paragraph brief so you can draw immediately. Open the web app or lightweight desktop build, select a small canvas, and choose a free template. These first steps get you drawing fast while avoiding paid features you don't need now. You now focus on the core toolbox and workflows that don't require payment. Start with vector shapes and layers so edits stay non-destructive, and use Snap-to-Grid for precise alignment. This saves time versus pixel painting. Once done, apply keyboard shortcuts and duplicate groups to reuse assets. If a single export exceeds free limits, split the canvas into sections and export multiple files, then stitch them outside the app. This sequence preserves quality while staying inside the free plan. You finish by checking color profiles, flattening unnecessary layers, and reducing canvas DPI if you need smaller files. That keeps exports under free quotas. Export as PNG, JPEG, or SVG according to use, and save copies locally plus to a free cloud account so you don't lose work. If the app freezes or features disappear, first clear cache and disable browser extensions, then reload or reopen the project. Finally, consider community templates or open-source alternatives if you hit hard limits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.